Schwab angin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki khubor na ke Jylla.
Hadien melami ki khubor bakam Mentri rangbah ke Jylla Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, bak shnong Mukroh ke Hap Hapoh jong ke Jylla Assam, na liang U Symbud Myntri rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya bak Prestone tynsong, mentak sngi ke tarik Lber, la Kren Tikna bak shnong Mukroh ke Hap Hapoh uput Assam ke Jylla Meghalaya.
Mukroh is well within Meghalaya. It is very clear, and it is even till this moment under the possession of Meghalaya. So it is very clear, Mukroh is well within Meghalaya.
So when likely the government will reconstitute the regional committees to take forward the second phase of border?
Yeah, we will walk out because our priority is has to be initiated now. We have already made it very clear to the people of the state that the second phase of talk will start very soon, so we will walk it out accordingly.
Sir, since it seems that Assam Chief Minister is making such claims when the boundary talks are going on, will the state government remind the Assam government regarding this any way?
I don't know why the such statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, because now we are in the process of stepping into the second phase of talk. I personally feel he should not say that. It is very unfortunate if he would have made the statement inside the house. But let me tell you one more thing, and very clearly, that Mukroh area falls under Meghalaya.
Will you be registering a protest letter to Assam, sending a letter?
Not necessarily, because the talk will start again. The talk will start again, so just wait for that. Well, CM and myself, we were in Delhi a few days back, and as courtesy, we met the Honorable President, and also we met a few more leaders, including the Honorable Finance Minister. We discussed about the financial position that we have in the state, and it's very positive from her side. She will also be with us, bailing us out as far as financial position is concerned.
So what is the financial position? Is it bad?
No, not bad at all. Not bad at all. But what I'm saying is, she is very supportive to us.